Now that you've found the strongest signal, it's time to wall mount your hub. Make sure you choose a suitable place on the wall. You'll need the following items from the provided hub kit. You will also need your own drill and 5mm drill bit. First, mark 2 points 65mm apart on the wall using a spirit level. Using an appropriate drill and a 5mm bit, drill holes in the points you've marked. Insert the plugs into the holes. Then insert the screws and screw them in, stopping 5 to 10mm proud of the wall. Attach the multi-purpose mounting bracket to the hub by first lifting the 2 metal prongs on the top of the hub. Align these with the gaps in the joint and insert the bolt through the hole. Then slide the joint upwards into the mounting bracket. Once attached to the hub, secure the multi-purpose mounting bracket onto the screw heads. Once in place, feed the cable inside through an open window. You'll still be able to fully close the window even with the cable in place, and it won't cause drafts or affect the seals. You're now ready to boot up your Eero device, which you will need to connect to Wi-Fi. Download the Eero app and follow the instructions to easily get connected.